Well, it is the afternoon and we are getting ready to get started on another one of our upgrades. We're going to be trying to upgrade update or modify rather our septic tanks. Can I say septic tank? Gray water tanks. So Ty has the tools. We tried a version, like a test version of this already, and it worked out pretty well. So now we're gonna try a grown-up version and see how it turns out. What do you got, Ty?
So you're gonna do all this, right?
Nope, I'm the camera lady today.
So we got our test system. Dirty water goes inside here, this hole. It comes out cleaner this way. So this is the test version. This is the test version. Bug.
Welcome to the beach.
If you know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like.
This is the test version, and now we're about to upgrade to these big boys.
At this point, we've been boondocking here about a week, and because we don't make any sewage, we don't use our black tank. Well, we use our black tanks for number ones only, and the only soap we use is all natural. Thank you, Sister Morris. Our gray water can be easily filtered and made clean enough to drink. Now, I wouldn't recommend anybody going out here and drinking it, but the test filtration system made the water as clean as water out of a garden hose.
So we got this done. Put this down. Go to the bucket. And we're going to drill 2 holes. One here and one right here.
This mod is starting to draw a lot of attention. Look at that guy. Back at the trailer. You get a little juice for our hot glue gun.
So we want to use these 2 Velcro strips to secure the top and the bottom. And I just touched that.
Just gonna do a B around here.
The drone's back. I wonder whose YouTube channel we're going to end up on.
There we go. You got any bees down here? Yeah, shoot. Okay. I'm gonna go pull it. Here we come.
I hear it.
Do you focus with all this commotion? We can't keep our worries again.
I That's gonna be too much.
Everyone's anxious to find peace of mind. It's so hard 'cause we're going astray. There's been a change the weather can't explain. Everything, all of the good, now the bad, makes me wonder why we're going mad. If you ask me how my friends are doing, I'd say they're fine. If you tell me to get into it, let me rewind. 'Cause nobody is happy or has all they desire.
So wait for this to open up.
Cannot truly live free when our planet is on fire.
Okay, shut it off, but the bucket is getting filled to the point where we've set it to.
We should just give up, the clouds getting thicker, the smoke blowing up in my eyes. Trying to handle more than we can stand for.
Just gonna shake the holes, make sure there's no leftovers.
Let me rewind, 'cause nobody is happy or has all their desire. We cannot truly live free when our planet is on fire.
Water's pretty clear.
We finished the day with field service. Sweet Pea came to visit. There was a beautiful sunset, and then we had a bonfire on the beach. We're soaking all this in because winter's coming and we're moving out.
I just got that lit.
That did sound cool. How close is the water?
It has almost conquered the mountain.